Hi, we're the Dawsons, and we just want to say we are in love with our new casement windows. Really dig the new style here with the locks, the ease of the window crank. It's really nice, like how the placement's in there. Just really impressed with the work that the fellas did, and then right down to using a clear painter's caulk so that if you wanted to paint the trim, you could. I like the flashing that was put on here. It's very important that that be installed right, and I was just totally pleased. What you can't see that nobody else could see under here is the foam, the expandable foam that's used to give you an airtight seal. It just was a pleasure to have these folks come out, and it's why we used Renewal by Andersen again on this is our new home, our new forever home, and you can see that it's really simple how it just locks in there. It just looks beautiful. I even hate to paint this. That's how good of a job that is done when this is installed. Just look how smooth that is. Stunning, stunning work. And those are the inserts for our screens, which I really even hate to put anything up. I just love looking at that window. It's beautiful. So we had that one done. We had that one done. And then, sorry, we're doing our reno. We had this one done. Just the casements, not the arch. And then we had this one done. And an awning window. And we had one more done downstairs. So very, very happy.